How to use two accounts in Facebook. Well, if you want to use two or more than two or multiple accounts on Facebook, you can simply open up your Facebook app. Go to the menu option from the top right, then here you'll find the drop down menu. Now you might say that this is the option to add another account. Well, this is not the option to add another account. This is the option to create a new Facebook profile. The bottom one is the ones that are linked to your Meta account. So this is certainly not the case as well. So what we have to do to basically use two accounts in Facebook is we need to scroll down and we need to log out of our current account. But make sure that your info is also saved. In my case, my login information is saved. Now what I can do is I can tap on login to another account. Then I can simply enter the name or the email address of the other account that I want to log in with, and I can tap on login, and as a result, next time I can simply come back and then I'll be able to switch between those accounts by logging in and logging out respectively. And this way you will be able to use two accounts in Facebook. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.